If you have been using Facebook for many, many years, you would have remembered poking friends. Yes, we've probably forgotten about pokes on Facebook. Well, if you'd like to poke one of your friends, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go. So we're in the Facebook mobile app over here, and the first thing you want to do is jump up to the search icon on the top right hand side. From here, you're going to go into that search icon and you're going to type in poke and search that. Now it's the very first result right at the top, and you're going to open it up, and here you can see all of your poking activity. So on the right hand side of every one of your contacts, you can see there is a poke icon. You can literally go ahead and tap on that and you will have poked that person. Okay, one of the other things is that when they receive that poke, they will see a poke back icon, which is right at the top. It says this person has poked me back, so you can just go ahead and poke that person back if you'd like to. It's a very nice way to interact with your friends on Facebook, and it's polite and friendly. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and poke a friend, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Poke you later. Cheers.